Plastics are everywhere. Plastics have become an incredibly important part of our daily lives. This is evidenced by the fact that the use of plastics in the US has increased nearly 20 times from 50 years ago. A big waste. Unfortunately, the majority of the plastic that is thrown away every year never makes it to the recycling bin. In 2012, for example, only 9% of total plastic waste generated in the US was recycled. That means that of the 32 million tons of plastic thrown away last year, less than 3 million tons were recycled. The rest ended up in landfills or on the roads, in waterways, and in the ocean. Crunching the numbers. Beyond the environmental consequences, much of that plastic that ends up in landfills every year could be repurposed and reused, which means that plastic waste also has a negative economic impact. In 2009, for example, the value of wasted plastic was estimated at $485 million, more than enough money for 1,000 US households to live at the median income level for almost a decade. What can be done? Fortunately, while only a small amount of total plastics are recycled every year, that number is on an upward trend, from 7.1% in 2009 to 9% in 2012. Many cities have also introduced bans on plastic grocery bags or plan to in the future. What can your business do? US businesses can help tackle the problem of plastic waste by sorting and recycling their plastics, and by buying products made from recovered plastics. Sorting plastics. One of the most common reasons plastics don't get recycled is that they're not sorted and separated properly from regular waste. Different processes. Different plastics have slightly different molecular structures, indicated by the number code typically found on the bottom of plastic containers. These differences in chemical makeup give each classification of plastics slightly different properties, affecting which products they can be used in. This is why it's so important to sort and separate plastics before discarding them. Reused materials. Currently, around 1,800 companies in the US handle post-consumer plastics, and much of that plastic is reused to make items such as CD and DVD cases, office accessories, windows, flooring, insulation, and furniture. By purchasing these post-consumer plastic products, US businesses can make a large dent in the amount of unclaimed plastic that ends up in landfills every year, protecting the planet and positively impacting the economy. About Polychem USA. Polychem USA has been a market leader in plastic waste recycling since 1946. During that time, the company has grown along with the important developments in the industry and the world. Learn more at www.polychem-usa.com.